Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the installation of WebSphere Application Server. To start with, we are going to look for IBM Installation Manager on the web and going to download it. Click on the link Installation Manager and Packaging Utility Download. It takes to the IBM support website. Click on the Installation Manager and select the specific installation manager package that you will need. It should depend upon the OS version. I have selected IBM Installation Manager for Linux on x86. You will need to log into the IBM support site with your pre-registered username and password. Once you are successfully logged in, you will see the link to download the installation manager agent. Download this installation agent on your desktop or to the server where you are going to install the IBM WebSphere Application Server. We are going to use a Centos version 8 virtual machine for our installation. So if you look at the etc Red Hat release file, you'll see the version of the OS. Also, let's use the browser to find out the link for the WebSphere Application Server packages that we need to specify within the installation manager. So select the WebSphere Application Server repository links and select the network deployment file link. We may also need to use the IBM HTTP server link also later. The next screen shows the installation manager file which was unzipped on the virtual machine and extracted, and we are going to start the installation. We are going to install IBM Installation Manager. So the files are copied to /im2. The installation manager flash screen appears, followed by the installation manager window. Click on install. Once the installation manager installs, click on restart installation manager. So the installation manager launches, and then go to the file preferences. Here we have to specify the repositories. I have removed the repository which was previously configured. I'm going to add new repository. Let me search for the packages from the IBM website and copy it and pasting to the repository. So this is a network repository, so we have to specify the username and password. Also click on save password and click OK. We don't need a master password, so uncheck that and click OK. Now the credentials are verified with the IBM website, and you'll see the repository listed there. We can do the connection test by clicking on the test connections, and it shows that the connection is successful. Click on OK. To start the installation, click on Install button. The list of packages to be installed is displayed there. Select both IBM WebSphere Application Server network deployment as well as IBM JDK and click Next. So the files are retrieved from the IBM website. It will take some amount of time. Accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. Make sure there is enough space available for the shared resources directory and click Next. Again, check the options and click Next. Select the language package as English and click Next. See the version of the deployment and Next. Now you see a summary of what is going to be installed and which directories, and the install button is not grayed out. So click on install so that the installation of WebSphere Application Server network deployment starts and continues. So the installation completes and displays the packages that have been installed. We want to use the profile manager tool to create a profile. So select that option and click on finish. This will start the WebSphere customization toolbox where we can create the profiles. Click on create in the profile management tool and select application server as the type and click next. Select typical profile creation and next. We have to specify a username and password for login to the WebSphere admin console. Click next and look at the summary of the profile to be created and then click on the create button. This will create the profile. So the profile is created now. Click on launch first steps and click finish. So the first steps is launched now. Click on installation verification and you get a window which shows the installation verification output. Once we go to the bottom of the messages, we see that the installation is complete. Now let's launch the administrative console. We need to specify the username and password that we defined previously. The browser will show the security risk because this is a self-signed certificate. So click on Advanced and select Accept the risk and continue. Enter the username and password that was defined earlier and click Login. So this opens the WebSphere admin console. Go to servers and select server types. Click on WebSphere Application Servers. Then you will see the application servers that was created with the profile management tool. That's server one. We can also look at the other menu options given in the left hand side and look for various options there. To log out of the console, click on the logout button. To exit the first steps window, click on the exit button and also close the uh, profile management tool. Now you can exit from the installation manager also. So that completes our WebSphere Application Server installation. You can look for the processes running due to the application server profile that we created. So you can see the Java process running there. So to summarize, we have installed the WebSphere Application Server network deployment with the profile. Thank you for watching.